Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Drawing this little pattern, no big deal, but it will show you a good way to use the blend tool for something like this. So let's get this out of the way. And I'm going to just reproduce this. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to make this thing at 16 inches. And then I'm going to Control D, I'm going to make a duplicate, and I'm going to make it 15 inches. And then I can just Control D down. Now I'm going to take a 2-point line, and I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to rotate that guy 45 degrees. I'm going to, you know what, I'm going to do this one at 22.5. And then I'm going to Control D, and instead of doing anything to it, I'm just going to mirror it. Now, this is our working space, which is basically 45 degrees. And I like doing it this way because it's on top of the page. Now, there's the part I was going to show you about the blend tool. If we take that one and shift select that one, we've got two objects selected. Go up to Effects and Blend. And let's blend them 8 times. It doesn't matter. It'll space them out equally. It doesn't matter if you use 7 or 9 or 8. Then take your Smart Fill tool, set on any color. I'm going to use blue. I think it shows up better for the video. And I'm going to start, and I'm going to go all the way across on the top one, kind of making a ring. But then I'm going to come down, and I'm going to stay inside. And you could go all the way to the edge. I'm going to go all the way to the edge on this one. It'll be a little different than my first one. And then I could go actually all the way to the edge on this one. Well, no, I don't, because then those lines would touch. So I'm going to go down, and I'm going to go ahead and go all the way on this one. And then on the last one, I'm going to go all the way over, and that's going to complete a ring. Now, I can select all these and Control G to group them. I'm going to move them out of the way, and then I'm going to move these out of the way. I'm going to put this back I'm just nudging. I'm going to bring in indexing lines. And I've got ones right in the center. Now, if you remember, we did it 22.5, so this is a 45-degree angle. I'm going to Control D to duplicate it, and I'm going to rotate it 45. Made a fatal error. I did not move the rotation in the center of the page. Rotate it 45 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. Look at that. That quickly. And the blend tool truly helped you a lot. Now, on the other ones I took and used a different color, I kind of like these two colors, and just go around and fill in the void spots. And you get a total different look. Anyway, just an idea. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.